What's up, guys? Today here on the Running Bear Central channel, I'm going to take this Dollar Tree toilet bowl scrubber, toilet brush. I'm going to clean us two different sets of wheels. I know you guys like fancy wheels on your cars. I like big wrecker wheels. So I'm going to show you how I clean my wrecker wheels. I'll show you how I clean your fancy wheels on your caddy. So $1.25, take you a screw, little tap screw, and you put in there so it can't move. You cut this thing off. Only leave about 4 inches because it's gonna break. And then when you get after it breaks, it goes even shorter, and that's when it works its best. Stick it in there. Get it nice and tight. You might have to tighten it back up again. Get it so. We'll start with the big wrecker wheel. Little super clean, full power. This is for all your auto body shop guys, cleaning cars all day long. This works a little bit harder than these rubber wheels because they're way down in there, but this gets the main of it. It's going to save us a lot of time today. Keep this thing wet. Now, you guys can use whatever cleaning solution you want. I probably shouldn't use a super clean or purple power, whatever we're using today. Oh, gotta get her tight. There you go, run that thing backwards. Nope, that don't work either. Just keep checking it, keep it tight. Usually I don't have this many problems. This rubber brush don't work the greatest on the rubber, or this toilet brush don't work the greatest on the rubber, but it does work the greatest on the wheels here without spending a bunch of time. Start that pressure washer. That thing wet. Go a little soap on it. A little super clean. sure your thing's tight. I like this brush, you can get behind the wheel here. Keep it nice and moist. You don't want that purple power drying up. Go in one circle. Now you're not buying a $30 Mother's cone or whatever it is. It doesn't hurt the wheel. Works beautifully. Get all in those grooves. Look at that. Keep it nice and wet. No, it does not work the grease on doing the rubber, so just a regular brush on the rubber. I think it's not a sign. It does work decent, but it's not a time saver by any means. I guess it just depends. Harder to do with it off the car, that's for sure. Alright guys, that's how I clean wheels at the Running Bear Central, and it saves me a lot of time. Thanks for subscribing, hit that like button, and we appreciate you watching, or at least I do. Thanks guys.